Imagine waking up on a Monday morning. You grab your coffee, you open your laptop, and you check your affiliate dashboard or your sales tracker. And you see zero sales, 0 clicks. You panic. You type in your website URL, and instead of seeing your homepage, you see a blank white screen with simple black text that says 500 internal server error. Your site is down. It has been down all night while you were sleeping. You have lost money. You have lost customers. And worst of all, you might have lost your Google rankings. If your site is down when the Googlebot comes to crawl it, Google assumes your site is dead. If it happens a few times, they will index you. They will remove you from the search results entirely because they don't want to send users to a broken link. This is the nightmare of downtime. And if you look at your Semrush site audit, under the crawlability tab, you can see if this is happening to you. If you see 5xx errors, it means your server is crashing. Why does this happen? Usually, it is because your shared hosting plan cannot handle the pressure. Maybe you got a spike in traffic. Maybe a plugin malfunctioned. On cheap hosting, if PHP crashes, it stays crashed until you call support and beg them to restart it. But there is another error that kills sites in Semrush: the mixed content error. This happens when your SSL certificate isn't working properly. You know, the little padlock icon in the browser bar. If that is missing, or if it says not secure, visitors will leave immediately. Chrome actually puts up a big red warning screen scaring people away. Fixing these security issues manually is a full-time job. You have to monitor your server 24/7. You have to renew your SSL certificates every 90 days. You have to scan for malware, or you can do what I do. You can use a host that has self-healing technology. I know that sounds like science fiction, but that is exactly what Kinsta offers. Here is how self-healing technology works. Kinsta monitors your website every 2 minutes. That is 720 times a day. If your site goes down, let's say a plugin crash PHP, the Kinsta system detects it instantly and automatically attempts to restart the service. Usually, the site is back up before you even realize it was down. You don't have to call support. You don't have to wake up in the middle of the night. The server fixes itself. This keeps your Semrush availability score at 100%. And for the SSL issues, Kinsta includes free Cloudflare SSLs with wildcard support. They renew automatically. You never have to worry about them expiring. You never get that mixed content error in your Semrush audit because everything is forced to HTTPS automatically. And let's talk about the scariest threat: malware. If you are on shared hosting and you get hacked, the host will often shut down your site and hold it for ransom. They will tell you, you need to pay a security partner $300 to clean this up. Kinsta is different. They have a hack fix guarantee. If your site gets hacked while hosted on Kinsta, their engineers will clean it for free. They consider it their responsibility to keep the server secure. Think of this as insurance. You hope you never need it. But when you do, it saves your business. If you are serious about SEO, you cannot afford downtime. You cannot afford security warnings. You need a fortress. I rely on Kinsta to protect my income. I don't want to worry about servers. I want to worry about creating content. If you want that peace of mind, click the link in the description. Move your site to the fortress. Check your Semrush audit a week later, and you will see a clean bill of health. No 5xx errors. No security warnings. Just a fast, secure site that Google loves to rank.